If you need help removing your factory doors and installing your Steinjager Tube Doors, click the link in the upper right-hand corner. Start by holding the panel up to the door to check orientation. The Steinjager label should always face the front and out. Begin installing the bungees by sliding each one through a grommet hole and then around the door. Once they're installed, simply adjust the bungees until you're satisfied with the placement of your new tube door cover. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.